Good evening, guys. Sorry for the late update. Not feeling too well. So let's analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, if I remove yesterday's markers, then let's see today how it goes. So Nifty has crossed its pivot, weekly pivot on Tuesday, tried taking support on the new weekly pivot, and since then it's flying. The resistance clearly is at monthly pivot because earlier we have faced the resistance twice over here. Now, what can happen tomorrow? We have 2 days left for expiry. Either it will go up and bounce back from here, or it will cross this. For Nifty to cross this, it requires a gap up, else it will not work. Why? Because at 18,200, there is a look at 1 hour chart. What is the condition? See, for 18,200, there is a huge data that was below this level, right from, you can say, 21st December. So for it to go up over here, it requires massive volume of data. And it tried twice and it fell back. So I would say this can be considered as a good resistance even if it goes up. That is 18,260, 250. Okay. And if we look at support, I think they're maintaining good support at 18,000 unless there is some bad news and it falls down. So these three levels are very critical. So if you look at it from a 5 minute chart perspective, the range is very good for Nifty to play from here to here and from here to here. Okay. If it has to go up, massive range is only 200 points it will cross. So that is 18,300. Now, if you look at a 30-minute chart and try to see where is 18,300 level, then you will see it is somewhere here. Okay, which is 18,333 because this was an earlier resistance over here right in November. After that, this has acted as a very strong resistance and then it has only fallen back. So if I have to make a proper support and resistance line, then if you see the trend is over here, it was negative. It took a, but if I draw it from here, I still say it is in a downward trend, not an upward trend. It has to cross these levels. These levels are very critical. So mark these levels 1833, 18254, and tomorrow it should cross this mark, which is around 18192. That's for Nifty. Let's look at Bank Nifty. So again, the same situation over here. We go to 30 minutes chart and first look at it as with the pivots. Today it tried crossing the pivot and came down. For tomorrow again we have a narrow CPR, so it might try to cross. But then this is a very big resistance over here. Now how do we see this? If you look at 1 hour chart again, see this is the point. That is 21st December from where it has come down. So crossing this level is not easy. Now, even if they do a gap up, okay, from where it has stopped, it's a perfect 683, 1.6% rise, which they can easily do in 2 days if they want to. And on expiry, they can fall back. So you need to consider this level and the monthly pivot level. If they take support, then 40 to 900 will be the new support for them. And if I remove this, then somewhere here they will take. So these three levels, 14,260, 900 and 480. Now, if I tell you the range they are covering, it's around 600 points here and then another 500 to 550 points here. So this is how I see till expiry. They're going to handle the range. Okay. I'm again telling you, it is not a bullish move. They are still under a negative trend. Obviously, 44 is very far to come, but I would like to keep my angle like this and a support line coming from down like this. So I don't see any great structure being made over here where I can say it's a head and shoulder or a cup movement. It will be wrong for me to make that. Yeah, it looks like that. Definitely, it looks like that. So if you see, they're trying to make, like this, and then they might do this. So it's possible that they make this kind of structure and then give a good breakout or maybe a breakdown. So 42, 480, 42, 500 will be a very, very important level for tomorrow. That's for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Let's look at gold, how it has been doing. So it is still in the channel. As I said, if they stay here, they will make this as a new support, and that's what they are doing. They're not ready to come down. In silver, if we go to see, again they are hanging down in the range. But if you see, the RSI is falling. So it's a very, very big divergence. It will come down to some levels, definitely. Or if it comes down till here, then somewhere here they will make a support, which is 65,373. If you see over here, it was a resistance. They took and went up, right? So this is a very important level, 65, 573 for silver. Let's go and see currency. If you look at USD INR, they have come back. RSI is also trying to come up, but this line, as I had mentioned earlier, will act as resistance. If they cross tomorrow, then they'll again try to go up to 83. That's it from my side. There are no swing calls. If you like the content, please do like and share. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.